Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Fisker, look at this. What we have now is we are up 101%, 102, 103. In fact, it was 130% earlier. This is a very, very healthy chart we have here. Let me tell you about what's going on, and let me tell you where we could go next and what I suggested this morning. I did advise everyone to trade the hell out of this. Take your profit. If you can make 100% in a day, I keep saying this, whenever we get a stock that is very, very risky and very, very volatile, if you bought at 2 cents and we went as high as nearly 6 and you didn't take your profit, I don't know what you need to take profit from. Anyway, let's have a look at it and where we see it going. We've got a potential reverse split coming up in a couple of days' time. The end of April, we've got a vote. Are we going to get the vote? Well, we've got to remember how risky this is. If you can make serious money like this, you've got to take it. Fisker dealers remain hopeful. This is what's happening today, despite Brand's New York Stock Exchange delisting. Now, many of you said to me, the stock is over, it's finished, it's done. And I said, no, it's not. And this morning on StockTwits, which is where the shorters sit, there. I had comments from those that did not like me putting this good news out. They were very aggressive towards me. They were swearing at me, saying all kinds of stuff. And remember, I don't own the stock. I don't benefit from it going up at all. I'm simply putting the news out for those that do and those that can make money on it. That's it. Very, very simple. And I put the news out today about this, and those that are shorting the stock, betting against it, and I don't like shorting. As you know, I've never shorted a stock, never will, never have. It's not my interest. I don't mind you doing it, but I don't believe in it. It's not for me. I'm always optimistic, and I believe in building and working. But people today who were shorting the stock were very, very rude and aggressive towards me, saying, all kinds of rude stuff about me putting out this good news. Because, of course, if you make money today, they lose tenfold. When you short a stock and you get it wrong, you get wiped out and you lose everything. Well, those that buy the stock, when it goes down, you don't lose anything until you sell. But those that do shorts and it starts going up get squeezed and they lose all of their money. And they get very, very aggressive and very angry at people like me putting out the facts. What they forgot to mention was, though, which is this is the sort of intelligence of these people, they forgot to mention that I was saying this, I was also reporting when it was going down. That they liked, of course. But now it's going up, they don't like it, and now they're all aggressive towards me. That's fine, I don't care. I'm here for my members, I'm here for investors, I'm here for facts, and simple as that. All right, okay. Let's share this information. Death sentence, apparently that's what it's all about. A Fisker dealer in Indianapolis recently started customer deliveries on the Ocean SUV. There's been lots of bits and pieces flying around that you may or may not have seen. There's deals being done, there's merchandise being sold, there's cars being sold. I've been receiving emails all about it. Fisker reported a $463 million loss in the fourth quarter 23, will be completely delisted on April the 22nd. We need to be clear what this actually means. People have been saying that they are delisted. They are not delisted, completely delisted on April 22nd. However, that might not happen. So, as I said before, it's not over yet at all. Last week, the Fisker store in Indianapolis started to receive shipments of all-electric Ocean and began customer deliveries. This has just started, according to dealer principal Phil Harrison. Customers have been enjoying daily test drives and are eagerly configuring their new Oceans to take home. Okay, let's have a little look here. Let's scroll down. As of now, we're still moving cars, he said. We're still selling cars. Time will tell what happens. I love the car. It's very solid and well built. We just hope for the best. So anyway, there you go. You can see what's going on. Let me share with you the chart right now. You can see we've just had a big dump a few moments ago. It's gone down to 85%. You can see now, look, just dropped 85%. We are coming up to the average volume. The volume so far today is 133. So it's not huge amounts of volume. It's just volume in the right, it's just buying it. It's just orders in the right direction. The volume isn't amazing today. It's below average, in fact. So it's sort of creeping up on everybody, and not everyone's fully aware of it, but we're still up 90%. My suggestion, and this is not financial advice, of course, is sell. Take your profits. Absolutely right. Now, here he is. We've all been asking after this person here. This is MSK. MSK was one of the stars of our video. We put out another one today. Are they happy? And if you want to call in, you can. This video went out today starring MSK and our other guest on the show. Let me just refresh this here so I can go here and show you. This went out just a few moments ago. We had interview part 1 and part 2. Here are our guests. Here is MSK here. And as you can see, they wasn't very happy because the stock was going down. Interview part 1 and interview part 2. However, happy now, 130% gains today, MSK, 130%. Tell me you bought the dip at $2. Sorry, 2 cents. Tell me you bought the dip at 2 cents, because if you did, you've just made 130%. And you got about 40 grand in the stock, so you could technically, no, I beg your pardon, you have about 50,000 in the stock, which means you could have made 100 grand today if you'd bought the dip. I know you didn't buy all of it at that level, but anyway, happy now, part 1 and part 2, just gone out. So there we go. Fisker news today. Let me see if we've got any more comments before I close out this video. Let's have a look. Hello all. Here he is. Hello all. Fisker doing well, but I'm staying calm. You need to be, of course, but my strong suggestion, and it's only a suggestion, what I would be doing is taking my profits at 100%. Why would you not? Anyway, we're up at 8. We're 91% now. It's moving again. Sensei, you need to ring in and do a chart. Well, of course, we'd love that, but Sensei's on holiday at the moment. Fisker will survive. Magna owns the liability for warranty claims. Fisker will survive, says Matthew. I can't verify that. Matthew is not a member of our channel. We don't know who he is, okay? We don't know. Hi all, Raman. Martyn has Trading View. Yes, I do. I have many things actually coming out soon. A lot of new things being added to the show every day at the moment. So yeah, I am using Trading View here at the moment. But I'm about to release a major update with Seeking Alpha when it's right. They're actually writing the code for me for this show. No joke. I'll bring it to you very, very shortly. Anyway, Matthew, you can't share links. You're not a member. The only way you share links is on Discord. If you become a member, you can share links. We can put it in the show. You can be part of it. You can't share links in YouTube. It doesn't let you. You think you've shared a link, but you actually haven't. Right then, there's the news on Fisker. We're going to keep you updated throughout the day. And of course, it's all about the reverse split. It's not out. It's not over. It's not been delisted. There's much, much more to come on this story. What are you doing? Click above my head, down below in the description. Over here and over here, more information. Fisker, is this the end? Not by a long shot. Many of you now are making some serious money very, very quickly. I wish you all the very best. And to those that are being offensive and aggressive towards me, it doesn't bother me in the slightest. You're completely irrelevant. And when I look on your social media, your content, you have no followers, you have no voice at all. Don't waste your time shouting at me because you're losing your money. If you short the stock, you take the riskiest of risks, and it's on you. And too bad, to be quite honest, too bad. If you bet against things that are trying to achieve things and build things and you lose all your money, then too bad. That's the game. Shorters very often win the battles, but they always win the war, always lose the wars. Anyway, until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.